Hello guys, my name is Owen Lubinda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those TikTok lovers, I have found a new way you can make followers within just 5 minutes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how to make money, hacks and tutorials. Stay tuned. I'm gonna do my best. So let's just hit it till we reach 700. We're on 599. We're gonna do it very soon. Watch out for new videos coming out twice, 2 videos in a week. So we'll be dropping 2 videos every week. So here's an account that I recently made. It's having 0 following, 0 followers, and 0 likes. No bow yet. Example 2021 0. It's just a random account. So like, for you to actually accumulate followers, you need their algorithm. So you need to follow famous people. This trick is currently working. It used to work on Instagram, but now it's working on TikTok. I did this with this new account and it accumulated a lot of followers. So this is Justin Bieber. I followed him, unfollow, follow, then unfollow. Currently this works in Osaka, Zambia, Kitwe, Zambia. I think just everywhere. This works everywhere. Let's follow Billie Eilish. I'm not sure if I've pronounced that correctly. And it's just so it's just a type of glitch. I'm sure I've seen that, and I'm guessing this is a glitch that they'll soon fix, but for now let's take advantage of it, because you'll be able to accumulate 2,000 and something, 5,000 and something if repeatedly doing the same thing. So let's follow Marshmallow. Okay, look for another one. Alan Walker. Let's follow Alan Walker. If you've got any contributions, please, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you need any questions, if you have any questions, you can let me know in the description below. So basically, we're just following these accounts that have got the mass following, so that we can have or be in the same algorithm as these people that are, on this higher station and everything. So let's check our profile and see how many people are followed. The more people you follow, actually, the more followers you receive. If you continue doing this thing repeatedly, you can also follow the people that are being followed by these famous people. Same thing. So we've got Alan Walker, we've got Ronaldo, we've got Marshmallow. Okay. Shout out to BETWAY for sponsoring this video. This is the second time they're sponsoring this video. You can sign up to BETWAY and make money. It's as simple as that. You just bet on these simple sports or simple games we're currently having today. You can bet on basketball and etc. So the link is in the description below. Click on the link and sign up for BETWAY, where you actually deposit, let me say 10 or what, and you get 20-30% interest on top. Sign up for BETWAY. That's the form where you need to sign up from, which you can easily access in the link below. Peace out. So let's do part 2 of the job now. Since we followed like 5 people, let's now start unfollowing everybody that we followed. So Alan Walker, sorry, bye. Unfollow, though I love your music. Who's next? Let's check in the profile. I'm following. Let's just check. Justin Bieber, apparently I also love your music. I'm sorry. The tutorial, bye. You can continue, you can share this video to everybody, because this is currently working now. So you can easily share this to everybody who you know and just help them grow the channel and everything. The next video I'm going to do is I'm going to show people on how actually you can make money off TikTok. The same way we make money off YouTube, you can also make money off TikTok, because TikTok is a new thing that's booming. So I'm following basically everyone we followed. It's as simple as that. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Just a reminder. If you don't like this channel, don't. If you just want to support, and if you want the best content, you can follow. So we're having 0 followers, 0. We're back to normal. Let me just refresh. Let me refresh this. View profile. I want you to pay close attention. Following, profile, view profile. You can be doing this on your phone, by the way. I'm just refreshing. View profile. Then there you go. And we're having more notifications. 2.5k 2.5k followers within 5 minutes, as I promised. I think I deserve a sub. I deserve a like for this, because like I said, within 5 minutes, and I've done it. There you go, 2.5k followers. I'm going to leave the link to this channel in my description below, so that you can go and check and witness what I'm talking about. Please, thank you.